Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 Review. Best Mid-Range Electric Scooter for City Commuting. In this video, I'm reviewing the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 to find out whether its long-range dual suspension, large 12-inch tires, and 800-watt peak power make it one of the best mid-range electric scooters for everyday city commuting. And the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with performance, the Scooter 6 uses a 400-watt rated motor capable of reaching 800 watts of peak power. Xiaomi rates it for inclines of up to 18%, which should make it capable enough for normal urban hills and everyday commuting. Top speed is officially rated at up to 25 kilometers per hour, or around 15.5 miles per hour, although maximum speed can vary depending on your country and local regulations. You get different riding modes, including pedestrian, standard, and sport. Battery range is another major selling point. The 360 watt-hour battery provides a claimed maximum range of up to 45 kilometers, or roughly 28 miles. However, keep in mind that this is a laboratory-style maximum range figure. Xiaomi achieved it with a 75-kilogram load on relatively flat roads at around 15 kilometers per hour. Faster riding, hills, cold temperatures, frequent acceleration, and heavier riders can significantly reduce real-world range. Some early owner reports also describe considerably lower range when consistently riding at higher speeds. Ride comfort is where the Scooter 6 becomes especially interesting. You get huge 12-inch tubeless tires combined with dual-spring suspension at the front and single-spring suspension at the rear. Compared with basic commuter scooters using smaller wheels and little or no suspension, this setup should handle rough pavement, small potholes, and speed bumps much more comfortably. Ground clearance has also been increased, which can be useful on uneven urban roads. For braking, Xiaomi combines a front drum brake with rear EABS electronic braking. You also get front and rear lighting for improved visibility. The scooter supports riders up to 120 kilograms and carries an IPX5 water resistance rating. That gives you some protection against water exposure, but it doesn't mean you should deliberately ride through deep water or submerge the scooter. There is one significant downside: portability. The Scooter 6 weighs approximately 26.3 kilograms or around 58 pounds. It does fold, but carrying it upstairs onto public transportation or into an office every day could become inconvenient. If portability is your #1 priority, a lighter commuter scooter may suit you better. Charging also takes approximately 8 hours, so this is something you'll probably want to charge overnight rather than waiting for it during the day. Here's a pro tip: don't buy an electric scooter based only on its advertised maximum range. Estimate the distance of your daily round trip, then leave plenty of battery capacity in reserve for hills, temperature changes, rider weight, and battery aging. So, is the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 worth buying for city commuting? If you want a comfortable commuter with 12-inch tubeless tires, front and rear suspension, 800 watts of peak power, a 45-kilometer claimed range, and a sturdy 120-kilogram load capacity, it offers a very compelling mid-range package. However, if you regularly need to carry your scooter upstairs or want significantly higher speeds, its 26.3-kilogram weight and region-dependent 25 km per hour maximum speed could be deal-breakers. Overall, I'd choose the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 for riders who prioritize stability, comfort, and practical commuting range over extreme speed and portability. The Xiaomi Electric Scooter 6 is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current pricing and decide whether it fits your daily commute. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which electric scooter you want me to review next.